I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and I'll be showing you how to generate a slow-mo clip from a normal video on this phone. Now, if you go to your gallery and find any video, so let's for instance pick a video like this. This is someone ziplining, and let's say I want to generate a slow-mo clip. All I have to do is find the point at which I want to generate the clip. So let me just take it back a bit. So let's say I want to generate a clip from here, from there. Okay, so all I have to do is play back a bit, then hold, and then at the end of the clip, let go, and that's going to automatically, using AI, generate a slow-mo clip. Now you can actually save that slow-mo clip. And it's going to actually get saved to your gallery. So here it is, and you can see it generated a pretty good slow-mo clip from the original. And that is basically how you can quickly generate a slow-mo clip from any video on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 using AI. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.